Guys, welcome to Mercy's in the kitchen. Today guys, we're going to do some hot roast pork in Jamaican style. Guys, I'm going to wash my meat now guys. So guys, I have 2 pounds of pork. And guys, I'm going to use lemon to wash it. But this lemon is very big guys, so I'm going to use half of it. I'm not going to use all of the lemon to wash it. So guys, remember you can use either lemon, lime or vinegar to wash your meat. And remember to wash your meat more than 1 time. You can wash your meat 3 times because guys, you know that this meat hung by a different hand. You do not know where this meat hung, you don't know where they put it. So guys, wash your meat 1 to 3 times guys. Please wash your meat. Get your meat clean to your satisfaction. Wash your meat guys. So guys, I'm going to blend all of my seasoning. I'm going to put in small amount of water. And I'm going to put in my garlic and scotch and pepper and onion. Guys, I'm going to put in my ginger. I'm going to put in some thyme and my scallion. I'm going to put in some pimento seed inside of it. Salt. I'm going to put in some sauce inside of it. I'm going to put in some black pepper inside of it also. I'm going to put some paprika. I'm going to put some all-purpose season. And guys, all of that are going to blend together. So guys, it's time for me to blend now. So guys, it's time for me to put on my season, what I blend on my pork. And guys, my hand is clean. I'm going to rub in all of what I blend. So pretty these guys. To do my pot roast pork. Guys, going to put it away. It's best to do it overnight. So guys, it takes the season much better when I do it overnight. So guys, look on it. See pretty? We're going to put it away guys to be soaked. You can put it on the refrigerator. And guys, it's good if you can season it overnight. But if you season it, if you get up and you say you're going to cook guys, you can season it for about 7 hours, make it soak it, and then you can go ahead and cook. But guys, the best when you know that if you know that you're going to cook pork like the next day, you can season it from overnight. It's best to season it overnight and put it away to soak the season properly. So guys, my pot is on. I'm going to put in the butter to stay there and melt. And guys, I can use oil, but I choose to use butter to cook my pork. So guys, I'm going to allow it to melt away, and guys, I will come back and show you guys. So guys, the butter is finished to be melted, and it's time for me to get in our pork. You guys are going to cover it and allow it to. Meantime, the pork is browning. You guys, it's cooking also. So I'm going to close it and make it stay there and cook and brown. So meantime, it's cooking guys, it's catching the color what it's supposed to have. So guys, look on it. It's cooking. And also, it's going to be brown. But guys, when you cook and go down to more you find it start brown and get it color. So I'm going to allow it to stay there and cook. Meantime, I'm cooking also steaming the own water from the pot cover. So I'm going to allow it to just cook. And if you see it dry down and the meat don't cook, you put a small amount of water inside of it, guys. So guys, we could check on the meat. So guys, you can see it. Look on it, guys. You see catching the color? So meantime cooking, it's also browning. See guys? How big it is. So guys, we're going to allow it to stay there, go and cook until it, you know guys, you're going to stay there and cook very soft. Because right here guys, the skin part right here have to be soft. So we're going to take a little time to cook. And that's how we blend all the ingredients together. We blend the ginger, the garlic, everything, the pimento seeds. So guys, this meat is cooking meantime and taking the flavor of the season inside of it. So guys, we're going to close it back and make it stay there and allow it to cook. So guys, we're going to check on our oil. Look at it guys, see, it starts to be fried. See that? There's no more water inside of it. So guys, I'm going to throw a small amount of water inside of it. Small amount of water. I'm going to close it back and allow it to brown and cook at the same time. So guys, we're going to check on it again. So each time guys, you see the water started to dry out again. So guys, what we're going to do again, we're going to throw a small amount of water inside of it until you cook. And guys, do not haste on a high fire or flame. Guys, just turn on your flame underneath it because it's a meat, it takes a little time to cook. And it don't make sense before cook, it can sit here. So don't cook this meat guys. So small amount of water again. I'm going to close it back and make it stay there and cook. So guys, we're going to test if our pork is cooked. Guys, look on it. It cooked. So pretty it is guys. So what we're going to do now guys. Remember this guys, this is what leave after the meat, when I season the meat. So we're going to put it inside of it. We're going to scrape tomato on it. We're going to lay some carrot on it to steam for about 7 minutes. We're going to close it back and allow it to steam for about 7 minutes and remove the flame. So guys, look on it. So the carrot is steaming on it. My lord. So guys, look. The carrot is steaming on it. So guys, when my son tastes it, I'm going to allow my son to tell me what it wants. And if it wants anything guys, I'm going to put it inside of it. But I sure don't want anything because the seeds already blend out. Everything, pimento seed, ginger, garlic, everything just blend out guys. So guys, what leaf over the meat, I put it on it. So guys, this meat don't supposed to want anything. We're supposed to just go ahead and eat it. So guys, we're going to check if our carrot is cooked. Guys, it's time for me to remove the flame. But guys, before I remove the flame, I'm going to tell my son to taste it for me. So I'm going to give my son a little piece, you know, guys. Tell me him get the film share. I'm going to give him the whole little bite, guys. A small little piece. And make him taste it for me. Anything you want, tell me.
Okay, so it tastes very nice. The season tastes very good. It's not salty. It just have the right balance of salt.
Yes, and the pepper inside of it.
No.
So if you want to put a little more pepper in it?
Right. Just a little bit more pepper and that's it, and it's okay.
So we can put scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne top. Which one of them they put?
Scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
Alright.
So we're going to put in some scotch bonnet pepper, make it stay there and steam for about 2 minutes and then remove the flames. So guys, the pepper already steamed inside of it. See there the pepper. So guys, it's time for me to remove our flame. So guys, we don't want the gravy to dry out, you know guys, we need it to eat.